So today I'm going to share with you how to do an exercise called the 45-degree clam. It's a really good exercise for your side glutes. So you will feel the burn right around this region. This is a great exercise to do if you struggle with back pain or knee pain. The reason being is because when you have a lot of back pain, that can be because your back muscles are overworking because your glutes aren't working. So get it? When one muscle is weak, another one overworks. So that's why it's so important to have a strong booty and strong body everywhere. So what you're going to need to get started is to take a light resistance band and place it just above your knees. Once it's all on and comfortable, you're going to lay down on a mat with your head nice and relaxed on your bicep. This way you don't put any pressure on your cervical spine. You're then going to take your feet and make sure they're in line with your heels. So I'll just do that. Yep. Then you're going to draw your belly button in, take your hip bone and push it away so that you're not crunching up in here like this. You don't want to do that. You need to have it pulled away. So you're then going to take your top knee and open it up as wide as you can while your core stays nice and stable. If you have a tendency to rock your hips back like this, that means you're opening up too wide for yourself right now. So only open up as wide as you can so that this area stays nice and intact. So for some of you, that may only be this much. And then as you get a bit stronger, you'll be able to open up wider. So even for me, if it gives you any bit of relief, I definitely feel the tension on my glutes as I'm opening it up, even just this wide. To try and make it even wider is going to cause me to compensate and cheat. So you just need to do your best to find out what range works for you and slowly build yourself up. So let's do 10 together. Drawing your belly button in, pull those hips away, and here we go. Inhaling on the way down, exhale as you go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. Good. Spank it out because you definitely will be feeling the burn.